Cruising offers a unique travel experience with its blend of relaxation and adventure. To make the most of your trip, it's essential to pack smartly. This guide provides comprehensive packing tips to ensure you're well prepared for your cruise adventure. 1. Understand your itinerary. Before you start packing, familiarize yourself with the cruise itinerary. Consider the destinations, climate, and activities planned to tailor your packing list accordingly. Ports of call: research each destination's weather and cultural norms. Activities: consider excursions, onboard activities, and formal nights. 2. Choosing the right luggage. Selecting appropriate luggage is crucial for a smooth travel experience. Suitcase size: a medium-sized suitcase is usually sufficient. Consider a carry-on if you want to avoid checked baggage fees. Duffel bags. These are flexible and easy to store in small cabin spaces. Waterproof bags, essential for protecting valuables during beach or pool days. 3. Clothing essentials. Packing the right clothes is vital for enjoying both onboard and shore activities. Daytime attire: casual wear like lightweight clothes, shorts, t-shirts, and sundresses are perfect for exploring the ship and ports. Swimwear. Bring at least 2 swimsuits to ensure you always have a dry one. Cover-ups: lightweight cover-ups are great for moving between the pool and indoor areas. Evening attire: formal nights. Check if your cruise has formal nights. Pack a cocktail dress or suit for these occasions. Smart casual for regular evenings: think nice slacks, blouses, or collared shirts. Active wear: gym clothes. If you plan to use the gym or join fitness classes, bring workout clothes and sneakers. Excursion gear: consider items like hiking boots or snorkel gear based on your excursions. Footwear. Choosing the right shoes ensures comfort and versatility. Casual shoes like comfortable sandals or sneakers are perfect for day trips. For evenings, dress shoes are a must. And of course, water shoes are really useful for water activities or those rocky beaches. Organizing your items. Staying organized can greatly enhance your cruise experience. Packing cubes are great. They help compartmentalize clothing and maximize space. Consider a hanging toiletry bag to save bathroom space. And don't forget a small, foldable laundry bag for dirty clothes. Toiletries and personal items. While many cruise lines offer basic toiletries, it's best to bring your favorites. Travel-sized products like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in small containers are ideal. Sun protection is crucial, so pack sunscreen, after-sun lotion, and lip balm with SPF. And lastly, a first aid kit should include seasickness remedies, pain relievers, and Band-Aids. Electronics and gadgets. Stay connected and capture memories with the right technology. Consider a portable power bank for excursions. Bring a waterproof camera if you plan to snorkel or swim. An e-reader or tablet is great for reading by the pool or in your cabin. Important documents. Keep all travel documents organized and accessible. Passport and ID are required for most cruises and port entries. Have a printed or digital copy of your cruise tickets ready. Bring copies of travel insurance policies. Money matters. Handling finances on a cruise requires some preparation. Inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid blocked transactions on your credit cards. Bring small bills for tipping and markets in port. Familiarize yourself with how onboard expenses are billed to your ship account. Packing for kids. Traveling with children requires extra preparation. Clothes. Pack extra outfits for kids due to potential spills or accidents. Entertainment. Bring books, toys, or tablets to keep them occupied. Snacks. Pack non-perishable snacks for picky eaters. Health and safety items. Prioritize health and safety during your cruise. Medications. Bring a sufficient supply of any prescription medications. Hand sanitizer. Use regularly to maintain hygiene. Face masks. Check current health guidelines for mask requirements. Onboard must-haves. Certain items can enhance your cruise experience. Refillable water bottle. Stay hydrated while reducing waste. Beach bag. A lightweight bag for pool or shore excursions. Binoculars. Great for spotting wildlife or enjoying the scenery. Pack smart for the climate. Adjust your packing based on the cruise's destinations. For tropical cruises, focus on breathable fabrics and sun protection. For cold weather cruises, pack layers, a warm jacket, and thermal wear. Handling laundry. Managing laundry efficiently is key on longer cruises. Check if your ship offers laundry facilities or services, and don't forget to bring a small detergent packet for hand washing in your cabin. Final checks before departure. Ensure you're fully prepared before leaving for your cruise. Review your packing list to confirm you haven't forgotten anything. Weigh your luggage to avoid airline fees, and complete online check-in to save time at the port. Packing for a cruise can be a breeze with the right strategies. By planning ahead and being mindful of your itinerary and activities, you'll have everything you need for an enjoyable journey. Embrace these packing tips and embark on your cruise with confidence and excitement.